Good morning, TYB family. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And today we were up bright and early because Susie is getting her very first detail. But my boys at 500Hp Mobile Detailing, hopefully I'm saying it right. I'll ask him when he gets here so we can properly give him a huge thanks because he offered to come and wash Susie bright and early in the morning. So huge thank you to him. His @ is right here to his Instagram if you guys need any detailing. He's the best in the business and he's gonna come to you and get it done. And Lord knows Susie needs it after the snow. It snowed again yesterday and Susie has just been taking a beating. As you can see, her side skirt, the wheel, the car is even, it was frozen when I got it here and then I put it in the sun a little bit, but yeah, she's not looking too good. And also on my way home yesterday, the check engine light came back on after I did a pull. So not sure what that means. Currently trying to hook up the OBD2 to try to run and see what the codes are. Not going too well. For some reason, I can never get it to detect my vehicle. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't frustrated right now. So I've been sitting here for about 30 minutes trying to get Susie to detect. All I'm trying to do is run a little diagnostics. I have the OBD2 plugged in. I've unplugged it and plugged it back in 90 times. Made sure it was plugged in right. Apple CarPlay's off, Bluetooth's off, the car Wi-Fi is off. I don't know what to do to get the freaking OBD2 to detect the vehicle.
Can't consider myself basic. Yeah, this infinity pool is for bitches who get naked. Yeah, couple shots of Azul, I can't move, I'm too faded.
All right, y'all, my boy right here from 500Hp Mobile Detailing got Susie looking absolutely beautiful. It looks better than the first day I even got her off of the trailer. As you can see, she's spotless inside and out, smelling brand new, fresh off the lot type stuff. And when I wash it, it does it no justice. This is completely and utterly transformed the car, because when I wash it, it just like look like I rinse it off, but like this makes it look brand new. So my boy right here from 500Hp Detailing, make sure y'all go hit up if you guys are in IE, OC, or LA, right?
I could do LA. Yeah.
You could do LA?
Yeah, just 500Hp Mobile Detailing on Instagram. You can find my info there.
Yep, the @ will be right here, and also the link will be in the description. Make sure you guys go hit my boy up and get him to 100 followers and hit him up for you guys' detailing needs. Best in the business, I'm telling you. Susie approves. All right, y'all, so now that Susie's all detailed and clean, we're going to be flashing her back to the E50 tune. And for some reason, it detected the vehicle right away. Diagnostic mode activated. Full bolt-on E50 tune. Flash, flash. And after this, we're going right to the Elote station. Yeah. Contact Toyota. Yes, sir. Load her up, man. This is how you make 1,000 wheel. Success. Yes, sir.
Hey, Tail.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYB aka Laneyy. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And today we are going to be going over the mod list on my 2020 A90 Supra, as some of y'all requested in the comment section. So if you guys don't know, this Supra is now tuned on E85 and making about 500 horsepower. So I'm gonna be telling you exactly what mods I have done to the car, what cosmetic mods I have done to the car, and what the future plans are to the car, and how much it has costed me so far, and how much of a hole it's burning in my pocket and lifelong debt that I have. To begin, we'll go with the out exterior modifications. We have these gram lights, these raised gram light wheels that cost me about $2,000, and they're sitting on Nitto 555 G2s or something like that. Tires pretty ass, but they costed me about $1,300 for the full set. Gonna be upgrading to some R888s in the near future. Also, as you can see, we got the wind buffeters, which are extremely necessary with these cars, because it's just, the wind buffeting is unbearable and it actually hurts at any speed over 50 miles an hour. And if we come to the rear, you can see we have all of the downforce possible. They're lucky I couldn't buy a bigger wing, because if there was a bigger wing, I would have bought it. We have this nice carbon fiber APR performance wing that to me looks freaking sick. A lot of people hate it, and that's cool, but I love it. So stop hating on it. Bro, like what the bro popped out in the same fit as me. Like that's not cool, bro. You can't be doing shit like that.
Put this shit on first.
No, you didn't. You got your swag from me.
Caleb called me because he knew I was at your crib. He's like, "Hey, what's Laneyy wearing?"
Bro,
Oh, I knew. So that's why you took the call? Yeah. I was wondering where you went on the phone.
Bro, I do not have his number.
Also, we have D's R33 GTR right here, which is absolutely beautiful. I say it in every video, every vlog, and I'm gonna keep saying it till I have one of my own and I can say that my shit is beautiful. Don't stop touching shit, bro. This is get the fuck over. That's pretty much it for the exterior of Susie. Nothing too much cosmetically, but let me tell you how much these cost. The wing I got on a steal for $1,500 from my boy in the Super Discord. So thank you, my guy, for that. MSRP, these are about $2,400. Very expensive. The wind buffeters are about $200. Let's go ahead and let's go into performance modifications, how much that costs, and just how much power we're pushing exactly. If we go ahead and pop the hood on this beast, you guys can see it looks very stock besides this bright red ass charge pipe. And from FTP Motorsport, it was about $200 or so for the charge pipe. And it's basically just a bolt-on replacement. So it's not the plastic one that comes with the car, it's more of aluminum, so it's more reliable and it can hold more boost. I also have the intake piping, also from FTP. It's just black. I wish I would have got this black and not red, but you know what, it's all good. And this was about $100 or so for the intake piping and the resonator delete for the intake stock intake box, because aftermarket intakes on this car don't really make too much more power, or if any power at all, from the dynos that I've seen. So stuck with the stock intake box. It doesn't really, you know, the turbo noise is still kind of muffled a little bit, but you know, it's all good enough for me. I forgot to tell y'all that we also have a Boost Logic catless downpipe that was about $450. And if I make any mistakes on the prices in this video, I will put the correct price underneath and we will add it up all at the end. Catless Boost Logic downpipe paired with the single exit Tomei exhaust. I don't know if y'all can see it down there, but she's a beauty. She's loud. Y'all want a quick little sound clip? Sounds amazing, but we will soon be upgrading to a SP1R single exit 5-inch titanium exhaust that just completes the real JDM feel. As you guys can see, the Tomei has a little bit of an awkward angle, and the SP1R is going to come straight out the left side right there, and it's going to look absolutely fantastic. So I got the Tomei used for $850. If you want one of these exhausts brand new, they're gonna run you about $1,300 to $1,400. And no, I'm broke, so we didn't do that. We got it used. Also, with those few bolt-ons and a tune for my boys at PQ Performance, they are the best tuner cars for any BMW or Supra that you have. They're gonna push the most power out of your car reliably. They're not dyno queens, and they actually run good on the street and drive well, you know what I'm saying? So highly recommend PQ if you guys need any tune. But so I got a custom E50 tune, and with that came, I had to unlock my ECU and I got a trans tune. So all of that combined was $3,400, and it was so worth it. The tune completely transformed this car into a whole new beast. When you get it, a stock Supra unstock tune, it's quick, it's fun, it's nimble on its feet, but you just crave more fast. So when you get on E50, you're starting to make 500 horsepower. The horsepower is very controllable, but if the tires are not warmed up, it does get sketchy. So warm up your tires, have a good sticky tire on it, have fun. I can highly recommend you getting this car and tuning it into the 500 horsepowers. And if you go farther than that, more power to you. As far as what we're gonna do next, we have a wrap coming, a color that I will keep a surprise for now. We have a new aftermarket bumper that is in production that should be here by the end of this month, hopefully, because it was already delayed. It should have been here already, but you know, it is what it is. And we will be lowering the car on HKS adjustable springs and getting the wheels powder coated, because this color is cool, but you know, it's alright, but I need something a little bit more flashy. Y'all know how I get down. So as of right now, those are the plans for the near future. And then we'll also be doing some side skirts, and I want a aftermarket rear bumper. I don't want to get a diffuser. I want to get something aftermarket. Obviously we're going to do carbon hood, and as performance wise, I'm thinking top mount turbo. I know I could probably make more power on a pure 850 or something like that, but it doesn't look cool and it doesn't sound as cool. You feel me? I want to pop my hood and see a big ass fat ass turbo sitting under there, you know what I'm saying? So we will be doing top mount turbo kit eventually. I don't know exactly when. We probably will buy an R33 before we do top mount turbo on Susie, but you know, it's on the list of things to do. But y'all let me know, would y'all rather see me do a full bumper replacement and get the one, I'll put a picture of it right here, if y'all like that. It is expensive, so it might take me a little bit longer to save up, because you know I ain't Bill Gates. Or would you guys just want me to do like a carbon diffuser and keep the OEM look? We have these R33 here. We're gonna be shooting some stuff with it too. This is my boy's right here if y'all want it. If y'all want more R33 content, y'all go subscribe to my boy right there. That's pretty much it for this video. If I had to make a guess, I am about 10 to 12K into the car in modifications. But if you want to spend 5K on performance alone and make 500 wheel horsepower on a Supra, it's probably the most bang for your buck you could get out of a car. If you guys did like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Always remember to keep it player. 555.
I got a stay bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bitch on yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro? Dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.